Welcome to Go Lesson 2, Variables and Types. In this lesson, you will learn how to store and work with data in Go. We will cover variable declaration, type inference, constants, and zero values. Let us start with explicit variable declaration using var. We specify the type after the variable name. Go supports strings, integers, floats, and booleans. The values are printed exactly as declared. Now let us use the short declaration operator. The colon equals syntax infers the type automatically. This is the most common way to declare variables in Go. Notice how Go correctly infers each type. Constants are declared with the const keyword. Unlike variables, constants cannot be changed after declaration. You can group multiple constants together. Constants are useful for values that never change. Variables declared without a value get a zero value. Integers default to 0, strings to empty, booleans to false. This is different from some languages where variables are undefined. Zero values make Go programs more predictable. Let us recap what we learned. Use var for explicit type declaration. Use colon equals for short declaration with type inference. Use const for values that never change. Remember that uninitialized variables have zero values. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore strings and formatting in Go. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.